So this is actually moving at a pretty incredible pace. If you look back even a couple of years ago, how many AI data centers there were, most of the people would have thought of high performance computing being the environment. So we've seen a pretty radical change in the past 5 years, and it's really starting to ramp in the last 2 years. What's really going to be driving it is the ability for people to do things with AI that we never could do before. And a lot of that is being driven by guys that are both in the hyperscale market, in the cloud market. There's even second tier and third tier companies that are looking at how they can use AI to either help drive their business or offer other services to end customers. And it's just in a rate of explosion that is just driving incredible growth on what's going on in the market. Some of the bigger challenges right now is just even meeting the demand for providing enough GPUs, providing enough optical modules. But all of this is also driving a lot of bandwidth for these devices. Tremendous growth on a desire to use optics to connect all these devices, which is just further driving the need for optical modules, consideration of things like optical integration. That's why you're seeing concepts like linear pluggable optics and concepts like co-package optics being discussed more, because people are looking at this as how do I innovate that. It's also rolling over to impact memory devices. People talking about optical I/O to interface to memory faster over shorter reaches or even longer reaches. So the nice thing that's kind of happening, it's very hard to predict what's going to happen within 5 years, but what I'm seeing from the industry is there's this sudden surge of an ability to start doing innovation. We are seeing a massive growth in the number of startups that are showing up, people that are bringing new ideas and new concepts to play. Some of these companies are being extremely well funded for bringing new technologies to the market. And part of this is playing into both the type of technologies we have to use. So faster bandwidth, 400 gig, 800 gig, 1.6 terabit, everyone's focused on, but also in what type of materials will we be using? Is this lithium niobate for optics? Is this new types of materials that are going to be invented? How are we going to do memory elements to handle the bandwidth demands? So overall, the beauty for what this is creating for our industry is a need to innovate. And that's what I'm really loving to see here, especially at OCP.